Welcome back to Global Rights Zone, where we break down important global topics to help you understand what's happening in the world. Today we're diving into one of the most significant international bodies for justice, the International Criminal Court, or ICC. In this video, we will explore its origins, purpose, and some key facts about its role in global justice. What is the ICC? The International Criminal Court, or ICC, is a permanent judicial institution created to prosecute individuals for crimes like genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and aggression. The court is designed to be a key institution in upholding international law and human rights on a global scale. The court was established in 2002, based in The Hague, Netherlands. The ICC is meant to complement national judicial systems, stepping in when countries are unable or unwilling to prosecute these crimes. The ICC was created as a result of international efforts following the horrors of World War II, particularly the Nuremberg trials, which prosecuted Nazi war criminals. The International Criminal Court itself was established through the Rome Statute in 1998, which was signed by 120 countries. The court officially began its work in 2002, when the Rome Statute entered into force. The ICC can only prosecute crimes that fall under its jurisdiction, which are outlined in the Rome Statute. These include genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and the crime of aggression, which was added in 2018. The court's jurisdiction is limited to crimes committed by nationals of member states or within their territories, unless the UN Security Council refers cases to the ICCC. The ICC intervenes when national courts are unable or unwilling to prosecute these serious crimes. It only steps in if the country involved is unable to act effectively, or if the country is unwilling to prosecute the responsible individuals. Who can be prosecuted? The court does not prosecute states, but individuals, like heads of state, military leaders, or any individual who orders or commits these crimes. As of 2025, 123 countries are members of the Rome Statute, meaning they recognize the ICC's authority and are obligated to cooperate. However, some significant countries, like the United States, China, Russia, and India, have not ratified the Rome Statute and are not part of the ICC. Non-member states are not legally bound to the court's rulings. Lack of universal support for the ICC, especially in geopolitically sensitive situations. ICC's structure and how it works. Judicial divisions, composed of 18 judges who serve 9-year terms. Prosecution, the Office of the Prosecutor investigates and prosecutes individuals. Registry provides administrative and legal support for both the prosecution and defense. How the court operates. Investigations are initiated by the prosecutor, requests from member states, or referrals from the United Nations Security Council. Pre-trial, trial, and appeal stages follow, ensuring a fair process for defendants. The victim participation mechanism allows for victims to be involved in the proceedings. The ICC has sent a strong message about holding individuals accountable for heinous crimes, encouraged national governments to adopt stronger legal frameworks for human rights. The court's ability to act is sometimes limited by political considerations. States with political leverage, such as the United States or Russia, often try to bypass or undermine the ICC. Cases involving large geopolitical players are often complicated by politics. The ICC relies on states to arrest suspects. However, many of the accused individuals are not apprehended, and the court lacks its own police force to execute arrest warrants. The ICC's role in global peace and security. The ICC serves as a deterrent for committing atrocities by raising the risk of accountability. By prosecuting individuals, it sends a message that impunity will not be tolerated. The ICC encourages nations to strengthen their judicial systems and adopt international human rights standards. It fosters international cooperation for the prevention and prosecution of grave crimes. The ICC plays a pivotal role in the international legal system, striving to ensure that those who commit the worst atrocities face justice. However, its work is far from easy. The ICC continues to face challenges such as political resistance, funding issues, and limited enforcement power. Still, its impact on global justice cannot be understated. What do you think about the ICC's role in international law? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more discussions about global issues. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.